Chertsey Bridge is a historic stone arch bridge crossing the River Thames, connecting Chertsey in Surrey with Laleham in Middlesex. The Chertsey area has records of an abbey dating back as far as 666 AD. Between the 13th and 16th centuries, the location was served by a wooden bridge and ferry services, which underwent numerous repairs. By the 1780s, the old wooden bridge was deemed dangerous and inconvenient, leading to the construction of the current stone structure. The existing bridge was built between 1783 and 1785 and designed by the architect James Paine. It features a classical 7-arch white stone structure, primarily built from Purbeck limestone for the main spans. The flood arches on either side combine brickwork with Purbeck stone voussoirs. The bridge has a central arch width of 12.8 meters and a navigational headroom of 5.82 meters. It is designated as a Grade II listed building. Interestingly, the original design featured only 5 arches. However, during construction, it was discovered that the length was insufficient to span the riverbanks, resulting in the addition of an extra arch at each end.